All right, so you're on a mission to develop an operating system for the world's first HD TV Blu-ray microwave washing machine. And you're working feverishly night and day. You're using Linux to make the magic happen because it's free, and you can get the source code. There's only one problem. The process to develop on Linux for embedded devices sucks. Yeah, and not one of the specialty Linux OSs out there works for you. And there are no common tools to help, which means you end up with some monster Linux distribution to manually hack together a Frankenstein OS that meets your specific needs. But you end up with parts left over and things don't fit or function right with your creation. And after all that, you may still want to move to a commercial Linux for real product support, which means dealing with the nightmare of a different build system, kernel, or whatever, which of course costs more time and money. Awesome. Yeah, using Linux for your embedded devices is just way too difficult and complicated. What if there was an easier way to create a custom Linux OS for any device you wanted? Well, now there is. Introducing the Yocto Project. The Yocto Project is a collaborative, universal starting point for custom Linux creation that makes it faster, easier, and cheaper for developers to bring embedded devices to market. The Yocto Project provides free templates, tools, methods, and actual working code. It lets you choose your embedded CPU architecture, select a footprint size, and build a working Linux. Then you can add or remove components to get exactly the features you want. You can also produce a set of custom application development tools for your new OS and test things out in an emulator. There's no more plowing through massive distributions to hack one feature. You also don't have to redo everything when you move on to a new project because Yocto gives you an updated recipe to create a new OS for the next device. And best of all, you can retain your optimizations and coding if you want to switch to a commercial Linux vendor. Basically, all your work is reusable. Hey, that HD TV Blu-ray microwave washing machine's not going to build itself. Go to www.yoctoproject.org to get started.